Right, this is inside the iWear AV230 XL. A couple of miscellaneous wires and so on, but we don't want any of that. Here's what we want. Okay, a couple of bigger screws there. Okay, it doesn't want to come off. Thought, let's put this on underneath so you can actually see what I'm doing. Right, you don't want to come off, so let's have a look around here. Don't want to pull it too hard and just snap the whole thing off, like that. Oops. Right. That'll do it. So far so good. See how deep we can go into this little mother. And there's the guts of it. Alright. Pretty straightforward, a couple of little LCDs going onto some PCB board. So look, these just straightforward bits of, oh, hang on, we're still connected. Annoying little, I just assume star screws, but I don't know what they're actually called. Okay. You know what, we don't really need the audio, screw it. Okay, how many times am I going to say okay on this? I wonder. Let's take this off very gently. Just want to keep as much of this intact as we can for another project later on. There we go. Okay, they are melted into place if you have a look. Not that this can really show you. And that's where the audio out is. All pretty straightforward. Take the audio, which you don't need for the next project. Let's take these little puppies out. So in essence, I spent about 60 quid on this, and it's for this, which has got a few, let me take this off, a few little bits of circuitry on the back. Come on, zoom in. Okay, this is rubbish. Not that you can see anything at all in this. Nope. Fair enough. And then the other side. And these tiny little LCD displays. I assume they're LCD. To be honest, I don't know. I'm going to try. I'm going to try and get these off hold, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Soon find out. Right. Not so good. this is why you should always wear goggles. Not that I'm wearing goggles. Okay, we're not getting very far with this. Okay, nearly done. Come on. Oh, there we go. Ow. Right. Notice how small the LCD is inside, or whatever type display it is. As I say, I'm just assuming. Please comment if you know anything else. Let's attempt to get this other one off. And obviously the other one appears to be exactly the same. I'm not sure if it is. And then we're left with the lenses to focus in, etc. See how. Excuse me. Can you see anything through them? No, it'd have to be a lot closer than that. No. Okay, so there we go. Inside the iWear AV230 XL.